Hi friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, we're going to pack this loaded envelope with some craft goodies and go over the items that are included in our Facebook group giveaway. We start with this beautiful loaded envelope that I designed with our Marie Antoinette scrapbook paper collection. I embellished this loaded envelope with items from our store like the bow, the bling, the floral accents, and the charms that you see here. I also added metal accents and corners from my stash, as well as the digital sentiments that you can download from our store. I decided to accentuate the top of this loaded envelope with trim and a metal corner accent from our store. Inside my Marie Antoinette loaded envelope, the recipient will find several craft supplies that will help her and perhaps inspire her to create a project of her very own. Some of the craft supplies are from my personal stash, while others are from our store. If you're interested in any of the craft supplies that you see in this video, you'll find a link to our Etsy and another to our website down below. And now I will tell you how you can win this month's giveaway. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you're one of our long-time engaged subscribers, you would have noticed that this month I've done a series of Marie Antoinette craft projects. And although I would love to keep them, I honestly rather bless someone else with these makes. So I decided to hold a giveaway for our Facebook group, and before you say no to joining yet another social media platform, perhaps I can convince you why it's a good idea to join our group on Facebook. We have a very small group on our Facebook where you'll be able to share your makes, your craft ideas, and even swap with another group member. In our group, we look out for one another, we inspire one another, and once in a while even share any red flags that we see across other platforms. In our Facebook group is where our team and guest designers post their videos and craft makes, so you find everything Decorate Your Life in one place. We also post crafty ideas from our blog to inspire our members on their craft projects. As a matter of fact, if you can take a moment to visit our website, you'll be able to sign up for our newsletter, which is full of paper crafting inspiration as well. And this is especially helpful to those crafters who sell their makes, because they're able to get notified of new craft supplies at rock-bottom prices. So back to the giveaway. Make sure that you join our Facebook group. You'll find the link in the description area below. You'll also find the giveaway rules in our Facebook group. Thanks for watching and good luck in our giveaway.